way. You think rain is water? Not everywhere. On Saturn, it literally rains diamonds. Storms bigger than Earth forge carbon into crystals, then let them fall for thousands of miles through a sea of lightning and gas. Somewhere in those...
The pressure in the atmosphere is so intense that it crushes carbon into graphite, and then into pure, solid diamonds.
Miserable NASA estimates that 1,000 tons of diamonds rain down on Saturn every single year.
If we could go there, we'd all be billionaires, but we'd be crushed instantly. Subscribe for more space facts.